Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to enable USB debugging on your Google Pixel. This feature is essential if you want to connect your phone to a computer for advanced tasks like app development, file transfers, or troubleshooting. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the gear icon to open your device settings. This is where you'll access all the configuration options for your Pixel phone. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled About Phone. This section contains important information about your device, including the software version and other details. Go ahead and click on About Phone to open it. Inside this menu, you'll need to locate an option called Build Number. This might be listed towards the bottom of the screen, so take a moment to find it. Once you've found it, here's where it gets interesting. Tap on Build Number 7 times in quick succession. This is a hidden feature that unlocks developer mode on your device, giving you access to advanced settings that aren't normally visible. After tapping 7 times, you'll be prompted to enter your device password to confirm the action. This is a security measure to ensure that only you can enable these advanced features. Go ahead and enter your password to proceed. Now that developer mode is unlocked, go back to the main settings menu. From here, click on the option labeled System. This section houses additional configuration options that aren't displayed in the main settings list. Once you're in the System menu, scroll down until you find Developer Options. This is the new menu that just became available after you unlocked developer mode. Click on Developer Options to open it. You'll see a variety of advanced settings here, but don't worry, we're only focusing on one specific feature. Scroll down through the list until you find USB debugging. This option allows your phone to communicate with a computer via a USB connection, which is crucial for many technical tasks. Once you've located USB debugging, click the toggle button beside it to turn it on. A confirmation dialog will appear asking you to verify that you want to enable this feature. Simply click OK to confirm. At this point, USB debugging is now enabled on your Google Pixel and your device is ready to connect to a computer for development or advanced file management. And that's it. You've successfully enabled USB debugging on your Google Pixel. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.